Hey buddy, this is Online Gadgets. Welcome to our channel. Are you looking for the best photo printers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best photo printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Canon imagePrograf Pro 1100. The Canon imagePrograf Pro 1100 is among the best 17-inch wide-format photo printers you can buy, with stunning quality that includes exceptionally dark blacks and vibrant colors. The Canon imagePrograf Pro 1100, $1,299.99, is an updated version of the Canon imagePrograf Pro 1000, which was introduced in 2016. We liked it so much back then that it earned our Editor's Choice Award for C-size, 17-inch paper width, professional photo printers. The Pro 1100 offers a few hardware-based improvements, including enhanced Wi-Fi and the ability to print on paper up to 129 inches long. However, the most significant improvements are linked to the new Lucia Pro 2 inks. The Pro 1100's blacks are deeper and richer than with the Pro 1000. And the wider color gamut opens up the contrast range and brings a heightened sense of dimensionality. Plus, the reformulated inks provide better scratch resistance and print longevity. Add it all up, and the Canon imagePrograf Pro 1100 is our latest editor's choice pick for professional-grade photography and graphic arts inkjet printers, while the Epson SureColor P900 is an equally excellent wide-format printer and could be a better choice if you need to use roll paper. And number 2. Epson SureColor P900 17-inch. Epson's SureColor P900 produces exquisite photos and artwork on cut sheets and paper rolls up to 17 inches wide, making it an excellent choice for professional photographers and graphic artists. The replacement for the Editor's Choice winning SureColor P800 we reviewed here back in October 2016, the SureColor P900 17-inch photo printer, $1,195, continues Epson's tradition of impeccable pro-grade wide-format photograph and graphics art printers. A step up from the 13-inch SureColor P700, another favorite, the P900 churns out exceptional images and artwork up to 17 by 22 inches, as well as breathtaking banners up to 17 inches wide by 129 inches, 10 feet, 9 inches, long. Like the P800 before it, the P900 is superb, with terrific output, highly productive software, and competitively low, for this genre, running costs. During our tests, the P900 efficiently handled everything thrown at it, producing impressive oversized photos, artwork, and banners. It effortlessly takes the P800's place as our editor's choice for professional-grade photography and graphic art inkjet printers. And number 3. Canon Pixma Pro 200. The professional-grade Canon Pixma Pro 200 produces beautiful borderless photos and artwork on cut sheets up to 13 by 39 inches. The P700 is similar in size and girth, but what's inside the chassis has one big difference. Like most Epson SureColor machines, it comes with built-in paper roll support. On the bright side, the Pro 200 does support limited banner printing up to 39 inches long. The full-featured control panel consists of several navigation buttons and a non-touch 3-inch color display. As with most professional-grade photo printers, the majority of your editing and enhancements are handled via the bundled software or the image manipulation software of your choice, which we'll look at shortly. You can also configure and operate the printer, monitor consumables, and generate and print usage reports via a web portal that runs on virtually any browser, even the one on your smartphone or tablet. And number 4. Epson EcoTank Photo ET8550. The ET8550 prints excellent photos and other high-definition images, from snapshot size to super tabloid, with running costs of less than 1 cent per page. You can't print large pages on small machines, so the ET8550 measures 16.7 by 32.4 by 18.1 inches, HWD, and weighs 39.2 pounds. It's about average in size and weight for a professional-grade wide-format photo printer, but it's considerably heavier and somewhat bigger than most consumer-grade machines. In addition to the standard process colors of cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, CMYK. The ET8550 has 2 additional inks, photo black and gray. These colors help produce great-looking grayscale images and graphics, and they improve detail and enhance blacks in photos and artwork, making dark areas deeper, richer, and more prominent. And number 5. HP Sprocket Photobooth. The HP Sprocket Photobooth takes and prints good quality 3x4-inch keepsake photos, making it an excellent lower-cost alternative to renting a photo booth for commemorating special events. The photo booth includes a carrying handle built into the top and is bigger and heavier than anything you'd call a camera. It weighs 8 pounds, and its official measurements are 21.7 by 13.6 by 2.2 inches, HWD. However, the 2.2 inches is really its thickness, and it's the right measurement only for roughly the top 15 inches of the height. The bottom angles out from the rest of the unit, on the front side only, making it roughly twice as thick near the bottom as well, which increases the overall depth to roughly 5 inches. The extra depth is taken up by a stand in the back, which folds out so you can rest the unit on a table, giving it a footprint of 13.6 by roughly 10 inches.